You've been traced.
Survive, motherfucker. Stay alive, motherfucker. You's a bitch, nigga, and a sucker. Stay alive, motherfucker. How you gon' talk shit if you don't know me, nigga? That's what I thought it was about, my nigga. Put this pistol in your mouth, my nigga. Ain't nobody harder than Tone, my nigga. I'm Kid Tone, my nigga. I put it in your mouth, my nigga. Blow your brains fucking out, my nigga. Ain't nobody harder than Tone. Hands up, motherfucker. Hands up, motherfucker. Remember when they used to try to beat us, motherfucker? In the back of the bus, motherfucker. I first got my dick sucked, motherfucker. Suck, you stupid bitch. Look, his brains blew out. That mean I had to shoot the fucking clip. Look, ain't nobody harder than Tone. Ain't nobody harder than Tone. I'm a motherfucking gone. Spray guns, pop every single balloon. Niggas talk a lot, but I'm a real ass gone. I'm ignorant out here, I don't give a fuck, nigga. Mom's using crack out here, my niggas know, nigga. For sure, nigga, I'm not a hoe, nigga. My niggas already know, nigga. Pop your ass, then get back to the motherfucking streets, back to the block, or back to the fucking trap. Fuck that, bitch, where we fucking at? I don't need nobody to have my back. I don't need no stick up, man, all I need is click clack. Niggas talk a lot, get your hoe ass back. Talk a lot, but ain't gon' do shit. Fuck you, hoe, I'm on some new shit. What you say, make his brain split. Little nigga, make his brain split. I'm finna do that, you already know, nigga. Cause I can never be known as no hoe, nigga. I'm a real ass nigga, but humble first, nigga. Fuck all that shit. And fuck your turf, nigga, where the work, nigga, where the crack sales at. I been told these motherfuckers back the fuck back. Then I had to grab my Mac. Scary ass niggas talk a lot, I peeped that. Niggas talk too much, but they ain't ready to shoot shit. I never let a nigga shoot me. I'm humble first, motherfucker. A humble nigga, you can feel it, motherfucker. Just don't make a nigga pull it, motherfucker. Just cause I'm humble, niggas think that I'm scary, fuck that. Nigga had to shoot the fuck back. I'ma show you how this gun relax.